Hello, everyone. This is Dr. Wen. Here is the given condition. We want to find the ratio of B and A. How to solve this kind of problem? It looks difficult. We need to look at the given condition carefully. First term plus the second term equal to 0. What does this mean? Looks like we don't have anything extra in addition to A and B. So here we have two variables here. Only have one condition. Can we find B, find A? If we can find B, find A from one equation, we can do that. So now look at the structure of this given condition. First term, square root. Square root of anything should be bigger than or equal to 0, cannot be negative. And something square cannot be negative. So the both items should be bigger than or equal to 0. If the sum equal to 0, that means the first term should be equal to 0. The second term should be equal to 0. So the first part equal to 0, that means the inside part of the square root should be equal to 0. A minus B minus 2 square root of 3 equal to 0. Similarly here, this square equal to 0, inside part must be equal to 0. A plus B minus 2 square root of 2 must be equal to 0. Move the constants to the right-hand side, move the constants to the right-hand side. We can find that A minus B equals 2 square root of 3. A plus B equals 2 square root of 2. So we have two equations here, two variables. This is simple. How to get rid of A, the second one plus first one. How to get rid of B, the second one minus first one. So here we do this. Okay. The second one plus first one. Here's A, that's 2A. B and the negative B cancel each other. Then we have 2 square root of 2 plus 2 square root of 3. Further, to simplify, both sides divided by 2. We'll have A equals square root of 3 plus square root of 2. I'll repeat the same idea. The second one minus the first one. So that means A minus A. A cancel each other. B minus B. Here B is negative here sign. So B minus minus B should be B plus B, should be 2B. And 2 square root of 2 minus 2 square root of 3. That's the second one minus first one. We have here. And get rid of 2, both sides divided by 2. We have B equals square root of 2 minus square root of 3. Summarize the result here. A equals square root of 2 plus square root of 3. B equals square root of 2 minus square root of 3. What do we want to find? We want to find the ratio, B and A. Just plug in the two numbers. So here, this is the answer, but your high school teacher may ask you to get rid of the root sign from the denominator. How to do that? Both numerator and denominator times the conjugate of the denominator. The conjugate of the denominator is what? Square root of 2 minus instead of plus square root of 3. So here, both numerator and denominator times square root of 2 minus square root of 3. So here, from the denominator, you can see that A plus B, A minus B. Use the formula should be A squared minus B squared. The numerator is what? Square root of 2 minus square root of 3. The same thing here should be squared. So look at denominator. Square root of 2 squared. That's 2. Square root of 3 squared. That's 3. That's a squared minus b squared. A squared minus b squared. The numerator should be a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. A squared, that's square root of 2 squared, that's 2. The 2 times the first term, the second term, plus the last term squared. Square root of 3 squared, that's 3. Simplify, you can see 2 plus 3 is 5. And the 2 times square root of 2 times square root of 3, that's square root of 6. 2 minus 3 is negative 1. So here, negative, negative cancel each other. You have 2 square root of 6 should be positive. And a negative, positive should be negative, negative 5. 2 square root of 6 minus 5 is the answer for B over A. That's all. Thanks for watching and see you next time.